finna put my shirt on negative. Nigga, give my shirt.
No, you're not finna wear it, man.
But you got like a shirt
Vita, man. It's messed up, man.
What the fuck?
It's fucked up, man.
Bro, why don't you give me the shirt? Then what do I got? Here, take the t-shirt.
Give me the t-shirt, nigga.
But how you gonna just steal like from my fit? Like what I got on? You just gonna steal my shit and just put it on like it's cool?
You wasn't wearing it, bro.
So I mean,
we on the camera and everything.
I mean, like,
man.
wow. I don't give a fuck. Like, wow. Like, really?
Since you only have one more, can I have your last bottle of water?
Hold up.
Dude, I need my water to take my medicine.
If we can get this big
Hyundai
up out of
Riverway,
David,
man.
My bad, man.
this nigga Rich is like cotton my shirt. You the one walking around with the beater because you feel like you sexy and shit.
No, because
let everybody see it. Let everybody see the
no.
shit you be trying to flaunt all fucking time.
I got on this beater because I got cheese all over the shirt I had on, which was his, and it's in the car. I thought I had my sweatshirt, my M-Town Dragon sweatshirt, left that bitch in Ravel. Oh well, this bitch gonna come off this motherfucking bullshit and me wear this goddamn shirt.
If all you doing is wearing it around your neck, you could have put the phone.
I just put it on. You won't let me finish putting it on.
Give me the key.
You too busy fighting me. It's right here. You want?
You want? Okay. What happened? Battery went low?
No.
I need something to
Look,
drink, man.
we getting that beat, man. That's